Bro, I'm so excited. I finally got my hands on this. If you don't know what this is, you haven't been on TikTok enough. Okay, this is Star Glitter Blue Raspberry. It's a fruit spread. So I got some fruit. And we're gonna try it. Okay. Look, hold on. Okay, I'm sorry. My fruit. I'm so excited. I'm gonna try it with a strawberry first. Oh, this shit kind of hard. Ooh. Okay. Let's have a look. Oh my god, it's so good. Like, why am I whispering? Like, yeah, it's so good. It tastes like candy. It's so good. Let's try the pineapple. It got little stars in it. It's good. I got a green apple. It's so good. I'm gonna eat this whole thing. Bro, go get it. And only certain Walmarts have them. Like, the Walmart by my house didn't have it. But the Walmart that was like an hour away from me had it. But like, I live in Houston, so that's not like that far. Bro. I'm gonna slant it. This is like so good. I should have saved my daughter some, but I got my fruit in the fridge. It's so yummy, like.